Let's take a minute to gently wake the voice up. Nothing fancy, just awareness. And you can even do this first thing in the morning. Whether you sing or use your voice professionally, you don't need a piano to warm up effectively. We're just going to start where your voice is already sitting, move comfortably through your range, and focus on leaving your voice feeling cleaner and easier than when we began. And you don't need to match my pitch exactly. If it feels a little high or low for you, just come in wherever it feels easy. For some, that'll be higher. For some, that'll be lower. Whatever it is, that's exactly right. Let's begin with hums. I like to begin with closed mouth exercises because it keeps us from trying to fix anything right away. Remember to keep your teeth slightly apart when we hum. We don't want to clench. We want a soft jaw. Here we go. Feel free to listen first and then repeat after me. And remember, this is just a warm-up. We're not singing yet. We're just warming up the voice, just getting the vocal folds moving and blood moving. One more. Back down. Next, we have lip trills. It's going to be the exact same melody, just a little quicker. Keeping the jaw nice and relaxed and keeping everything nice and relaxed. Next, we are going to mee-mah. So one of the things we want to really make sure we're doing here is keeping our tongue nice and relaxed, laying in her bed the whole time, not pulling back, staying right where she lays. mee-mah, 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 nice and light. mee-mah, 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 deep breath. mee-mah, mee-mah, easy. mee-mah, let it flip if it needs to. mee-mah, deep breath. mee-mah, mee-mah, mee-mah. So we're going to go back down. If you're doing an exercise that takes you up to the top of your range, we always want to make sure that we start to come back down before we go into the next exercise. So we're not trying to go to the very top of our range and then start at the bottom of our range in the next exercise. This allows our larynx to slowly lower back down, so it's a lot easier to come back in to start another exercise. mee-mah, 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 mee-mah. And a little trick you can do if you don't want to do the whole thing going back down is just use who to bring yourself back down. So if you're at the top of your range and you want to come back down, whoo, 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 whoo. Use the H to come into the sound as easily as possible and slowly lower like an exhale. Whoo. And if it helps, I've put this entire routine into a simple PDF so you don't have to remember it. It's linked below. Now we're on to the bouncing belly, or the ha 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 exercise. We want to keep this nice and buoyant, very easy, almost like laughing. Now you can just sing this one along with me. We're not going to do the call and response. Just come along with me. Here we go. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. 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 Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. One more. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha So next we're going to do yawn-sighs. So with yawn-sighs, we're not using any particular pitches. We are just simply going through the entirety of our range on a slide. And the most important part of it is just feeling like you're exhaling as we come down. We truly want to release the voice as we come down. Release going up and really release as we're coming down. So feel free to go after me or along with me. So for instance, ha! Again. Ha! 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 So you see, you truly have to release. It cannot sound pretty. It's just about releasing the note, releasing the sound, releasing your voice. One more time, deep breath. Ha! Ha! And that's it. If your voice feels a little clearer, a little easier right now, that's the goal. And you can come back and do this routine anytime you need to reset. Before singing, before speaking, or anytime your voice is feeling tight or unresponsive. Consistency, not intensity, is what builds a reliable voice. Thank you all for coming by, and happy singing!